Welcome to MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota, where we have an incredible used pontoon in today on trade. This is the 2021 Premier 270S Series with the Revolution booth here in the back. And not only that, but this boat has twin Mercury 300XL outboard motors with the joystick steering and digital throttle shifting. This is an incredible powerhouse on the water. If you are a chain of lakes boater or you're out on big water, this is gonna be an incredible pontoon for you and up to 14 of your passengers. This is capacity for 15 people on board. Here at the helm, we have our Simrad touchscreen display. You've got all of your engine diagnostics and controls, as well as navigation. This is the dual helm setup. That's what the S series is. We've got the windshield here in the middle. We have a wireless charger at the helm and at the co-captain's helm. Lots of storage here in this boat. We've got the JL Audio Bluetooth stereo system. Sounds beautiful with a subwoofer and RGB lighting. You can control that right here at the helm with the twist of a lever and pick your favorite color. This is the Ultra Fabrics material on the vinyl. It is so comfortable. This boat is in the slate base with the stone quilted accent. And all of these cushions here are either removable or they have the easy hinges. So they give you full access to your bin here. We've got the USA flag with the mount in the back of the boat already installed. So you're ready to go for those holiday boating weekends. We have USB receptacles and cup holders hidden away so that you don't have an extra piece that has to go on the couch. It's already out of the way. We've got in-floor storage here in the bow, walk through in the center. And then this is where the magic happens. We have this table put down right here. We've got a filler cushion. You can easily stow that away, and you've got your pedestal table. So you just release these little levers right here. This will pop up, and the best part, it's magnetic. So we've got a couple of can koozies right here, so this will keep your drink insulated and it won't move when you're going across the lake. Your drink will stay right here on the table because it's magnetic. Awesome feature there. This whole booth here spins. This is like the corner Applebee's booth on steroids. We're gonna turn it to the side, and you have a swim ladder integrated right into the floor here, so the kids can jump off the side of the boat without getting anything else wet on board. So you've got your own little splash pad to fun here in the back. Also faces the aft of the boat. So when you're anchored out and enjoying the water, you have this ladder right here. So this is a staircase that flips down. And if you forget it down while you're boating across the lake, no worries, because at about 3 miles an hour, it's spring loaded and it'll automatically retract itself. So it won't be rattling or getting damaged when you're underway. If you forget about it, don't worry. We actually prefer that because it'll self-retract. So this boat is located at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota. We would love to show you the boat in person or take you for a demo ride. Come check us out on Highway 371 in Nisswa.